What up? It's your boy 88Fresh, man. Welcome to W.O.L.F TV, man. Go subscribe, hit the button, come follow the channel, leave a comment, all that, you know what I'm saying? And welcome to the Tim Dunkin show with your boy 88Fresh, aka Tim Dunkin. And you know what I mean? We got some new dunks today, man. Something real exclusive for y'all, so you know what I'm saying? With that being said, let's break it out. Yes. Colorful box. You know what that means? Something exclusive. And today we got the SB Strawberry Cough Dunk. You know what I'm saying? Very cool sneaker, translucent bottom. You know what I'm saying? Exclusive insole. You know what I'm saying? Real cool shoe. You can see. Got the little ridges, kind of remind you of like ostrich. You know what I'm saying? Kind of like grass. Nice look, man. Nice look. You got the strawberry cough man right there. Cough. You know what I'm saying? These was supposed to come out 4/20 last year, 2020, but got discontinued because of COVID, because of the cough and all that on there. But you know, you can find these. They going for probably around 1,000 right now. But very cool shoe, man. Very cool shoe. I'm loving it. You know what I'm saying? And of course, it comes with, you know, two colors, the green and the orange. But they come with original red strings. I put the whites in. They look pretty cooler with the whites to me. But yeah, very cool shoe, man. You know what I'm saying? I need y'all to just subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, stay tuned, man, for the next dunk, man, with your boy Tim Dunkin, man, aka 88Fresh, man. Go follow W.O.L.F TV, man. Peace. Stay tuned for the next dunk, man.